Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit the ring bell for the new videos I post almost every week. So Navratri is coming and along with Garba, and when we talk about Garba, the first thing comes in our mind is lehenga, choli and jewelry. So yeah, today we'll be making 6 type of jewelries including earring, bangles and neck piece. So let's get started. So the first DIY, we are going to make these beautiful earrings. For that you need ear wire. You need stone chain. You can take some pom-poms, some beautiful mirror, rounded, circle, anything, cardboard, glue, or you can use hot glue gun as well, wool. So the first thing we are going to do is to make a circle. Now we are going to take glue and we are going to apply it on the circle. Now start sticking the mirror and the wool, something like this. And if you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel. This will take around 1 day to fully dry. Now once it is fully dry, we are going to make one hole in the earring to hang our ear wire. And at the end we are going to take one pom-pom and we are going to stick it with hot glue gun under the earring here. And at the back of the earring we are going to stick one more mirror. And to give it a finished look, we are going to take stone chain and we are going to stick it all around the mirror. So this is how they are going to look. They are looking absolutely amazing and they're super easy and quick to make, so you can make these kind of earrings for yourself in coming Garba. So the next thing we are going to make are these beautiful bangles. Now to make these bangles we need bangles. We need hanging latkans and a glue. If you don't have glue, you can always take hot glue gun, one lace, and that's it. Now we are going to start sticking the lace with the help of hot glue gun. So you have to stick it something like this, if you can see. This is how the bangle is going to look, and at the end we are going to take this latkan and we are going to tie it on the bangle here. So if you don't have latkans, you can always make it yourself. They are very easy to make, and this is how the bangle is going to look. So in our next DIY, we are going to make these beautiful earrings. So for that you need earring, pom-pom and some motis. Now make a pattern and then start assembling them all together. And if you don't have pom-poms, you can always make them at home. They are very easy to make. I've already posted a video on how to make pom-poms, so I'll put the link in the description box. And if you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel. So this is how they're going to look. They're looking so pretty and they're super easy to make. Now moving forward, and I have another very nice DIY for all of you with your existing jewelries. So if you have these kind of oxidized jewelry, you just need to take your jewelry and some pom-poms like these. And we are going to just tie the pom-poms under the earring, something like this. And if you have these kind of jhumkis, you just have to take one pom pom and you have to stick it inside the jhumka, something like this. And this will also go with all your ethnic dresses. And if you have a neck piece, something like this, again we are going to decorate it with pom pom. So you can just stick it a pom pom under the neck piece, something like this, and your neck piece is also ready. So this is another super quick and easy DIY for all of you. So I hope you like today's tutorial, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to our channel, and if you are new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.